Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable camera access on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, select privacy controls versus camera access. Apps and websites with camera permission as well as system services can use your camera. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.